Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what could be the best moisturizing lotion for women on the market, the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This skincare essential has been making waves, and today, we'll explore why it's garnered so much attention. Stick around to see if this product lives up to the hype. What sets this lotion apart is its lightweight, non-greasy formula. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it smooth and hydrated without that sticky feeling you get from some moisturizers. Perfect for daily use, whether you're tackling dry patches on your body or needing a gentle yet effective facial moisturizer. Ladies, if you're like me and struggle with sensitive skin, you'll be glad to know that this lotion is fragrance-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic. It's even earned the National Eczema Association's seal of acceptance, so you can trust it's gentle on your skin. Now, let's break down those key ingredients. Hyaluronic acid is a powerhouse when it comes to hydration. It helps your skin retain moisture throughout the day. And ceramides? They're like the building blocks of your skin's barrier, helping to restore and maintain its natural protective layer. What really impresses me about CeraVe is that it's developed with dermatologists. They've formulated it with 3 essential ceramides to ensure your skin gets the care it deserves. Whether you're dealing with dryness, sensitivity, or just want a reliable daily moisturizer, CeraVe has you covered. Personally, I've been using CeraVe and I've noticed a significant difference in my skin's texture and hydration levels. It's become a staple in my morning and evening routines because of its effectiveness and how gentle it is on my skin. So, if you're looking for a moisturizing lotion that ticks all the boxes: hydration, gentleness, and dermatologist-recommended care, look no further than the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare insights and product critiques. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.